So over here you can see that I already have a video footage on my timeline, and in order to control its clip speed, what you can simply do is select the clip right here and then click on this little icon right here where you can set out custom speeds. So here you can see that you can go to custom speed and then get the custom speed option to change around the speed according to what you want. Let's say, for example, you want to make it 2.72 times faster or 2 times faster. Simply type in. You can set exact duration, change it into reverse speed, or ripple edit this. So once you do that, you can see that the video footage is much faster. So you can select the clip, and then once you apply the effect, you can see that there's the effect option right over here as well. Another thing that you can do is go back. Then you can select the slow rate right here. So if you were to go around and select 0.5 times slower, then the video is twice slower, as you can see right there. You can go around over here and then you can make it, let's say, 4 times faster. So that's playing faster. You can also go around over here, and then let's say if you were to go for normal, then it changes back into normal speed. You can go back over here and then also add in freeze frame just like this. But let me just press Ctrl Z. And then another thing that you can do is reverse out the video entirely so that it plays backwards. And that is how you can work around with the clip speed settings inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.